Kim Townsel here. It is cold, cold, cold. We're supposed to be down in the single digits tonight or this weekend, but I'm so happy today because I got my Mustang back. I finally got the damage fixed from the deer that happened earlier this summer. I pulled up in my driveway, was about to get out, and the FedEx delivered my SIG back. So two great things got fixed and delivered today, my Mustang and my SIG. So I'm a happy person. Together again, my pretty pony repaired and my SIG P320. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate. This one's not appropriate to share. This is just me being happy today. I have a video up about when the deer hit my car, so I'm not going to recap all that, but she bounded into the front fender and did that paint damage and dented it up. I was grateful that she didn't, or he didn't hit the engine. The car was still drivable, and it knocked off the window, the rear view window, but it never did come undone or quit working, and then it knocked off this little side panel that they're very expensive to replace, and it made it look really, really bad. But I'll show you how I worked on that. This is the car when I drove it to Camden, Tennessee. It was completely still drivable, just didn't look good, especially with this gaping hole in the side. But I didn't really have time to fix it before I had to go off and do some stuff in the summertime. When I got time, I thought, well, I'm going to work on this. I got some mounting tape because I thought I'm going to have to just kind of tape it to the side of the car, and I was prepared to do that. I cleaned it all up, and I found that I still had all the little plastic clips that came with this piece. So I got a pair of needle nose pliers and just manipulated it and got it back in. I really didn't think it would stay in. I expected it to fall off at any time, but it didn't. I was very, very happy about that because that improved the looks of my car. I couldn't do anything about the paint, so I got some silicone caulking and just put over that to keep it from peeling. And it didn't look very attractive, but it did keep the paint from flaking off up there. And the car looked a little bit better after I did all of that. And I drove it like that from July until December when I had time to get it fixed. I ended up borrowing my son's car. He wasn't using it, and it was in the shop for quite a while, and I was very glad that my son Dallas let me borrow his car while I was without mine. I took it to a body shop that I used before, but it was going to be a long time before they could get to it, so I ended up taking it to WJ Body Shop, and they did a great job on it. The inside door handle was like ajar as well, and so they kind of fixed that for me too. I went to pick it up at WJ, and that's how it looked. She looks good again. They did a really good job on it. Very, very happy to see this. That's beautiful. She's pretty again. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.